How to use Google Voice while traveling internationally. First of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or mobile data while abroad. Open the Google Voice app or visit voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. You can make and receive calls, send text, and check voicemails just like you do at home without needing a local SIM card. Keep in mind that calls made through Google Voice use internet data, so avoid using public Wi-Fi networks without protection to keep your calls secure. Also check Google Voice international calling rates before making calls to avoid unexpected charges. You can add credit to your account for making calls to non-US numbers. Using Google Voice abroad helps you avoid high roaming fees and keeps your communication seamless during your travels. Now you know how to use Google Voice while traveling internationally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.